Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shadee with Pure Shade. And this week, as you can see, I'm back with some vegan candy by Joyride that I found at Walmart. So I'm going to let you know what I think in just a moment. So I found these at Walmart. They are $5.98 a piece. So I saw these and I was like, ooh, it's some more. You know, I didn't really like the last Joyride lollipop. So I was like, okay, this one is the sour fruit gummies. And this one is the gummy worms. And they're also sour as well. So starting out with the sour fruit gummies, they have 45 calories, 0 grams of fat, 50 milligrams of sodium, 23 grams of carbs, and 0 protein. And as for the sour gummy worms, they have 45 calories, 0 fat, 50 milligrams of sodium, 23 grams of carbs, and 0 protein. So they are actually exactly the same. So here we go. I'm gonna try the gummy bears first. Hopefully they are good. Here we go. So this is how they look. Like that. The flavors they have are Front Porch Lemonade, Watermelon Wizard, and Hawaiian Sunrise. I don't know what that was. It didn't taste like much. Let me see. This must be the lemonade. The lemonade's actually okay. I don't know what this one is. I don't know if that's a Hawaiian or the watermelon. Well, don't taste that good. I don't know. No, that's the so okay, so it's the watermelon. I don't like the watermelon. The other two flavors are good. So now for the gummy worms. Here we go. That's how they look. Oops. They have Tropical Nights, Lemon Sublime, and Rainbow Ice. Here we go. Not bad. Okay, let me try another one. That one's not bad either. Here's another one. I can deal with the gummy worms. I like the gummy worms better than these gummy bears. The gummy bears, I think it's a watermelon I don't like. But yeah, these actually are worth trying right here. I like these gummy worms. So yeah, definitely stop in at Walmart. Try these out for yourself. I give this a 7 out of 10. And this a 5 out of 10. Again, these aren't bad. The lemonade one is actually pretty good. Like if they have lemonade in here, this would be perfect. But yeah, definitely thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.